Hey, good morning. It's Monday the 12th. Looking at the agenda today, we're going to do 30 minutes practice of I-Station. So make sure you time yourself. You have to do 30 minutes. So at the end of the day, I'll get on there and check. So just make sure you do 30 minutes of practice. There are some vocabulary words and that you have to write definitions and sentences for. That will be on a Google Doc. So you need to click on the Google Doc and you're going to type right on there. Make sure that your sentences are your own, not copied off online. You have to have at least 8 words using the word in a sentence. Okay, and so that's it for English for today. For social studies, you need to work on the theories if you didn't get that done on Thursday. And if you did get that done, now you're going to have to write your paragraph. Your paragraph should consist of, if you read the directions on your slides, it's got to be, what do you think is how he died? Out of the 4 theories, which one do you believe is true? And then you'll have to back it up with the facts. Why do you think it's true based on what the scientists say on that theory? And maybe why do you think it's not something else? Okay? So make sure you do a good job of that. Should have probably at least 5 sentences with a topic sentence. The theory that I believe in is, and then state it. And then don't forget to conclude your paragraph with, in conclusion, or to sum it up, or lastly, or finally. Use one of those concluding transitions. And if you have any questions, email me. We're going to work on chapter review. That's in the back of the book if you get that all done. And I'll put page numbers on here. Okay, if you got any questions today, let me know. This is the second quarter.